Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in AFT 2103 Business Statistics Tutorial 3. Numerical Descriptive Measure Assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Summary of solution process.
Question 1. Times taken to finish the test. Calculate the mean, median, and mode of times, determine the range, Q1, Q3, and compute the variance and standard deviation. Question 2. Frequency distribution. Find the mean, median, and mode using midpoints and frequencies. Describe the shape, calculate Q1, Q3, IQR, variance, and standard deviation. Question 3. Weight loss. Compute the mean, median, and mode from weight loss data, determine the range, and calculate variance and standard deviation. Question 4. Income of employees. Determine the mean, median, and mode from income data, then calculate variance and standard deviation to measure income spread.
To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7 309 655 268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.